I'm not saying I have the coolest car ever right now. I'm not saying I'm the coolest, hardest guy in the car scene. And you'll get what I'm saying if you're a serious car guy. Like, and I mean no disrespect that anybody's like in the car scene and like I feel like I'm coming at them, but like there's just, the fact is like these people, some of these builds and stuff that people are calling builds and like this and that are just like they're eBay builds, eBay parts from here, the cheapest parts, you know, knockoff stuff. And it's just like, it's so corny to see because everybody's buying the same wheels, the same parts, the same this, the same that, the same cars, and building the same things. When I go to these car meets, I'm lucky to see another E36 at these giant meets. Lucky to see one that's like really nice and done up. Like, as far as an E36 chassis, a lot of them were turned to drift cars, so they're all smashed up and beat up. They're not really super clean. They're hard to find now in good condition that aren't rusted out, at least on the East Coast. And it's just something cool to have. Like, I don't think I would ever sell this car, to be honest.